Counseling psychology faculty have access to a custom report in digital measures called the CP Merit Report. This report lists scholarly productivity and teaching activity over a 3-year period. In order for this report to generate properly, there are a number of fields beyond those required by the online web bio pages that must be filled out. Starting with the Publication/Intellectual Contributions section located in the Scholarship/Research section of the Digital Measures main menu, you can edit an existing item by clicking on the pencil icon, or add a new item by clicking on the Add a New Item button. Either way, you will be directed to a form into which you can enter information to be included on your web bio page and also in the CP Merit Report. You will notice that some fields in the form are marked with asterisks. These fields are required for your online web bio page. However, there are some other fields that are not marked with asterisks that you must nonetheless fill out in order for your CP Merit Report to generate correctly. You should at least fill out the Was Peer-Reviewed/Referenced field, the Year Claimed field, and the Audience of Circulation field. This second field, the Year Claimed field, is particularly important. The year you enter into this field determines how the intellectual contributions in your digital measures profile are listed on the CP Merit Report. As for the other sections included in the CP Merit Report, the Presentations section, the Contracts, Grants, and Sponsored Research section, the Scheduled Teaching section, and the Advising and Thesis Committee section, you must make sure to include dates for your activities, as these dates are used to organize the CP Merit Report. After you fill out your digital measures teaching and scholarship/research sections as completely as possible, you can generate your CP Merit Report. First, in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, click the Rapid Reports button. Then, in the Report drop-down menu, select CP Merit Report. In the Start Date and End Date fields, select the 3-year period for which you would want to run the report. In the File Format drop-down menu, select Microsoft Word. Finally, click Run Report at the bottom of the page. Digital Measures will then generate your CP Merit Report, and your web browser will download the Microsoft Word file generated. Choose a location to save the file, rename it to something more readable, and click Save. Next, open the CP Merit Report you just generated. Much of the information in the report was generated by Digital Measures from the data in your Digital Measures profile. However, there is some information that you will need to enter into the report manually. Since we chose to export the report as a Microsoft Word file, it is a live editable document. Some sections of the report you need to edit manually are obvious. For example, there is a placeholder text at the beginning of each section prompting you to enter brief introductory statements about each section. Other areas of the report into which you need to manually enter information are easier to miss, however. In the Scholarly Productivity section, you will need to update the information in the second paragraph. There is also some information you will need to manually input into the tables listing information from your Digital Measures profile. For example, in the first Scholarly Productivity section, you will need to fill in the authorship and importance field, as this information is not included from your Digital Measures profile. Using Digital Measures to create a report will do a great deal of the work for you. However, in general, you should carefully read through the entire report to make sure all of the information is accurate and none is missing.